Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to add and remove an open house on your sale listing in StreetEasy. So first of all, go to your My Listings tab. You can load more if you can't find it to search for your listing. And then once you see it, for example, you can simply hit Edit Listing. If you're having issues finding it, you can always go ahead and just search for the listing here, the address here in the search bar, and then you can just go to that listings page. So for example, you can always just find the listing and also hit Edit Listing. It takes you to the same place. And you skip to you can take a look through the various tabs to see where it is, and you'll find that the open house scheduling is actually on the last tab under marketing. And then here you can add and remove an open house. So there's no open house currently, so you can add one. So for example, we want to add one for tomorrow, 5 to 6:30 p.m. We can do that. And then you can also check whether you want it to be by appointment only or not. And if you don't check this, it'll just appear as a regular open house. Anybody can stop by, walk-ins, but by appointment only means that people have to contact you to confirm an appointment before just showing up. Hit Add Now. And the changes have automatically been saved. You don't need to hit anything else. You can view the listing to confirm that it has already been added. As with all listing updates and tickets, please remember to take a screenshot of the change made and then send it to the client. So there's always a trail that you did do the update that they wanted. So very important to attach a screenshot, for example, of this open house schedule area and send it to the client. And then of course, if you wish to delete an open house in StreetEasy, you simply go to marketing, the open house schedule area, and then you see this existing open house and you wish to delete it, you simply hit delete. And there you go, it's automatically updated. You can again hit view listing, take a look, and you don't see any open houses posted. So that's how you add and remove open houses on StreetEasy. We hope you found this video helpful. Please check us out at Hauseit.com to learn more about how you can save money when buying or selling in New York or Florida. And if you're a real estate agent, please check out our careers page. We'd love to have more motivated folks join our team. And of course, my name is Chris at Hauseit, and I'll see you on the next one.